Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are stitching up Thread Collector. I'll walk you through each step, so grab your supplies and let's get stitching. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and thank you for being here. I'm Sarah, the designer and embroidery artist behind Flourishing Fibers, a shop offering patterns, supplies, and notions to get you started with paper and wood embroidery. I will share the link to the shop in the video description and links to the awl I'm using, the pattern, and much more. So I hope you check that out. Before we dive in, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me keep creating new content and share my embroidery passion with you all. So let's get started. Print your pattern onto your paper. For this project, you must use your Awls fine point needlepoint. Lay down a piece of packing styrofoam and start punching holes where there's a dot. Styrofoam is the easiest to pierce through. You could find it easily. You could keep it for many more paper embroidery projects when you're done. A piece can last quite a long time. Thread Collector is creating using two stitching techniques. Most of the pattern is done in reverse chain stitch and a few details are done in backstitch. We need a starting anchor to start a reverse chain stitch segment. We use a small straight stitch. This starting stitch will be bolder in your pattern download and if you purchase the print, in the print. To create the first chain link, you come up the next hole, go under the straight stitch, and then back down the hole you came up. To start this off, hold some tension on the back of the thread when stitching the first link. You can relax on the tension for the rest of the segment. You keep creating chain links by going up the next hole, going under the previous link, and back down the hole you came up. It's a straightforward process that goes relatively quickly once you're in the rhythm. For the rest of the tutorial, I'll highlight sections where the segments overlap because it can look confusing. However, once you start, you will see it's fairly easy. Just imagine how you would write the word. You can visualize the direction of the stitch. Well, there you go. We are done with Thread Collector. You can have so much fun making this project yours by using different colors of thread and paper. The paper comes as a 5x7 card, but as you can see, it will fit perfectly into a frame to proudly display your habit of thread collector. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give this a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And remember to subscribe for more embroidery fun. Your support means the world to me and helps me create new content. Thanks again and keep on stitching.